Hi folks, I'm Marty Martin and today we're going to be covering Hound Dog. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Said you was high class, and that was just a lie. Yeah, you said you was high class, and that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Okay, that's that song basically played once through. And what I'm going to do now is break down the rhythm and show you how exactly I do that. And this rhythm can be used in lots of songs like that. So basically, if you're starting off in the chord G, you're basically going to be doing a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. But to get that little syncopated bit, it's going to go 1, 2. And then this wee finger goes on where the E minor would go. It's on the third string in the 4th fret. So you're playing your G, and then to get into that, you're just using the wee finger, and the wee finger's just going to stay on there. And allow that first finger to stay on. It's not doing any harm. It's not going to interfere with the chord, and it's there for when you take that finger back off again. So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. And to make that more fluent, rather than doing all down strums, we're going to be strumming it down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you go on the G, it's down, up, and then you play the E minor, and it's down, and then the finger comes back off for the final up. So it's like this here: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Then you go into your C and you do exactly the same. It's down, up, down, up, down, up. So what we're going to do now is put those two chords together, the G into the C. Into your C. The G. Okay, so in this song, it's only those two chords that you do that little syncopated rhythm with. The rest of them are just down strums, which you'll see now that I'll give that a wee run through and just let you see how I'll do that. I'll do it a wee bit slowly, or slower. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Said you was high class, that was just a lie. Said you was high class, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Okay, so that's it at a slower speed, just to allow you time just to kind of get your rhythm up. Just keep practicing that until it becomes second nature to you and you don't have to think about it. And if I was playing that at full speed, it'd be like this. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you were never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Said you was high class, that was just a lie. Said you was high class, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Okay, folks, so that's it. Broken down for you, and hopefully that helps. And until next time, don't forget, keep strumming and keep her lit.